Hey ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel. This is day 123. It's also the 31st of the month. So one of my next videos, you're going to be seeing an entire recap of exactly how much money we've earned selling options this month. It'll be a monthly recap. With that being said, please keep in mind on this channel, day 123, I'm selling options for income. I'm doing this live. We've done really well. These are our current positions. We'll double check them real quick to November 15th, 3200 call, just to see where we're at. Keep in mind we primarily watched the delta. So November 15th, 3200, and we're going to the call side. So this is a strike price, 3200 call. It's a 10 delta. The inverse of that is 90, so we have a 90% chance of success on this trade. We're not too worried about that. Come over here, let's take a look. Just for giggles, we'll take a look at this one real quick. November 29th expiration with a 3400 call. And then there's a 35. If the 3400 is good, you know the 35 is good. So we'll come back to options. We'll go to November 29th. 35, where's it at? 35, 9 delta. So we're pretty good. And coming back over here, we see our collateral value. We broke 22,166. So that's awesome. And our account value, of course, is continuing to climb. It will ultimately equal our collateral value when our options expire. We have $470 in buying power. So now the question is, we're going to use that little bit. Are we going to sell a call or sell a put? Let's see. Market's down about 1%. Okay, a little bit. That usually means we want to sell puts below the market. And we are negative 1 delta, which means we like for this to be kind of close to zero. And that means our portfolio of positions are market neutral, so to speak. Market neutral. Keep in mind with options, you can make money when the market's going up, make money when the market's going down, make money when the market's going sideways. What you want to avoid are massive extreme market conditions where you have multi-day 5% one-way moves, like 5% one day, 5% the next day up, 5% the next day. That's going to get you into trouble. That's what you kind of want to avoid. Most of the time, you're going to do just fine. Let's see. Let's look at selling. We'll sell some puts, and we'll go out to, today's the 31st, so we'll go out to the 8th and see what we have for delta. Those are calls. We're on the call side. Sorry. Come to the put side right here, and we'll look for, I like a 7 delta. I like that. There's a 7 delta. We want to basically make 1%. There's a 5 delta, and we can get 1% on that 5 delta. We can get 3% here, but let's not be greedy. If I had more than $400, I'd probably do a little bit of both, but we want 1, and that's going to get us over 1% right there. I'm sitting here thinking I might come to the 9.3. It's only a 7 delta. I might be getting a little bit greedy here. Here's what I'll do. All right. Here's what I'll do. Greed is what will cause you to lose every time. Minimum received is $1.09, even after fees. All right, we'll take it. I'm selling half inside of a week. That's a good thing. Now let's come here. See what we have left for buying power, 280. We're gonna use it all. 0.5. We have a little more. So our margin required and our buying power, that's pretty close right there. Submit order, we're going to make $5.85 on that. That's good. Let's come back over here. Check out our positions. We just added to previous positions. They still look good. So we're doing great. I mean, without massive market shakeups, this portfolio is going to be just fine. And we're over, our collateral value is over 22,173. Tonight or tomorrow, whatever, 1, 2, 3, 4 positions are going to expire. All of these funds right here will go back to our buying power, and we'll be in a position to be able to, should we choose, sell more options right away. Anytime we have available buying power, we can essentially sell options. And I'm pretty aggressive about using my buying power with this portfolio as long as I don't have any positions that are 15 deltas or above. When you trade options, and you're selling options for income, the goal is to always monitor your deltas. That's the most important thing you want to monitor above all else. It doesn't matter what the short-term price fluctuation of the position is. The deltas tell you the odds that it's going to succeed. So if the deltas are working in your favor, and you're below 15, you don't have anything to worry about. If you're below 30, you're not even going to do anything. We don't actually do anything with the option until we hit a 30 delta or above, and at that point, we'll roll the option out in the future to try to be right, even if we were originally wrong in our position. All right, 22,173. That's where we're going to finish up the month. I'm pretty sure. I don't think there's going to be any more trades coming. We'll just have to wait and see. Next video, you'll see our entire monthly recap, so be sure to subscribe to that and follow our journey. Spoiler alert, we didn't quite hit $1,000. However, $1,000 this month. However, I will tell you, I'm going to be, this month should end up being a pretty big month for us. Why? We have nothing currently over in the next month, rolled over into December. We're coming into November. That means all of this should expire. Well, it will expire inside of November, and when it does, we'll be able to use all of this capital, or essentially almost 70% of this collateral value in the month of September. So just do 3 to 6% of that, and that will tell you 3%. We're going to make it almost $700 if we only do 3%. If we do 4%, we're going to be at $800 and something dollars. So it's going to be pretty good month. And on top of that, I'm going to be bringing in a little less than $1,000, somewhere around $700, $800. I'm going to be bringing in as well to add to this. So my collateral value will be over $24,000, most likely by December 1st. That's my prediction. That means from that point forward, $24,000 is where, 3 to 4% of that every month, you're going to be hitting $1,000. And my goal is 3 to 6% monthly. So 3 to 4%, you're going to be hitting $1,000 pretty much every single month. That's going to be incredible, because now we have a way to where we can consistently earn USD value inside of crypto. And now we can compound our portfolio. We can take that 1,000 plus. At some point it'll be $1,200. At some point it'll be $1,400. I'll be able to keep $1,000 growing this portfolio. I can take the rest, the $400, the $500, the $200. I can skim that off, buy more Bitcoin, buy more altcoins. I got some altcoins I'm going to be buying. If you want to know more about that, be sure to subscribe to the channel as well. Ladies and gentlemen, just doing honest, transparent trading the best I can. If you appreciate that, do me a favor and smash that like button. If you want to continue to follow this journey, you can hit the subscribe button, click the bell notification icon, and click all. If you have any questions, please put them down in the comments. Thank you so much for watching. This is Crypto Wealth. I'm out.